Alright guys, well welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going to be working on Jose's 1986 Chevy C10. I'm going to be doing an underbed notch, a tubular crossbar. I'm building my own upper shock taps that go to that crossbar, and then some long extensions, building it off of the differential for the lower half of the shocks. So let's get right into it.
Hey Shay, gonna go easy, bro.
Hop out the whip and you know that I spin. They gotta get it cause you know that I win. Fuck with your haters, say no need your pen. Stacking money way to touching the ceiling. Not worry about what I'm gonna go get. And talking about killing you pussies ain't win. Just go and burn up my check up, cause you know when I'm a coming, I'm next up. Thinking we're bros, counting my dough. Fucking my best for your blast in your dome. How you think I'ma go speed? It ain't even from the beginning. Coming at me cause you know that I win. Can't even show you your bitches and pig. Holding the gun and I'm picking the fist up. You wanna try me cause you know that I'm next up. Got you got all of me ball in the picture. She fucking on me while she done. Left you on red. Don't get it twisted, I'm ready to red.
Alright, well first thing we're going to do is get into it with my Mexican engineering and use my engine hoist to remove the rear of the bed. That way we can assess our situation at hand and see how we're going to tackle this.
Hey Shay, gonna go easy, bro.
Hop out the whip and you know that I spin. They gotta get it cause you know that I win. Fuck with your haters, say no need your pen. Stacking money way to touching the ceiling. Not worry about what I'm gonna go get. And talking about killing you pussies ain't win. Just go and burn up my check up, cause you know when I'm a coming, I'm next up. Thinking we're bros, counting my dough. Fucking my best for your blast in your dome. How you think I'ma go speed? It ain't even from the beginning. Coming at me cause you know that I win. Can't even show you your bitches and pig. Holding the gun and I'm picking the fist up. You wanna try me cause you know that I'm next up. Got you got all of me ball in the picture. She fucking on me while she done. Left you on red. Don't get it twisted, I'd rather get red. Talking about how many I heard what you said. Nigga, you be on the pity shit. Planning a plot on the Tupac and Diddy shit. Rolling no click, best take your best off. Cause of the headache, you're gonna go pop it, let's take off. Hop out the whip and you know that I spin. They gotta get it cause you know that I win. Fuck with your haters, say no need your pen. Stacking money way to touching the ceiling. Not worry about what I'm gonna go get. And talking about killing you pussies ain't win. Just go and burn up my check up, cause you know when I'm a coming, I'm next up. Yeah, I'm pulling up with the low post, 24 screaming when I pull up in the slow-mo. It's acting hard, but they fucking with the po-po. Trying to fuck with me and you know that's a no-no. Yeah, I got a heart, but you know I had a turncoat. Where was you when I was a villain on the down low? Fell on my partner, but there when I need. Fuck all that praying, got off on my knees. Ain't no more saving, they're coming for me. Got off my ass and stacked up on some G's. You bloody hate, but acting hard on the keys. Can't get me off your mind, I be haunted in your dreams. Better niggas heavy like the skin on my teeth. Having you shaking like you were a fiend. Can't say all the shit that I've been through, but not gonna lie about what I'ma come up and gon' do. Hop out the whip and you know that I spin. They gotta get it cause you know that I win. Fuck with your haters, say no need your pen. Stacking money way to touching the ceiling. Not worry about what I'm gonna go get. And talking about killing you pussies ain't win. Just go and burn up my check up, cause you know when I'm a coming, I'm next up.
Okay, so now after several minutes of grinding, cleaning up, and beveling the edges, now I'm finally ready to tack these into place, get them squared up, and then I'm going to fully weld them before I put them in the truck. And you can see like this with that bevel, going to be able to get a better penetration during the weld. These top ones I might open up a little bit more, but I think everything else should be good. And the same thing on the other side. See that the bottom on that's a little bit better. It's just the top. Might open the top a little bit more. I think that's going to be a little bit better right there. So now I'm going to get ready to tack these up together and then fully weld them.
Gotta go, my team and I tryna collect this dough now. misery. Promise when you see my face, you never both get to me. Pimping all around the road, I love it when she rub her fingers through my curls. I last to Tupac, I get around, so cover your baby mama, but I'll take her back to my time. Real boss in the picture when you see I don't mess around. Come and lay in my sheets as a razor pine. It will always be what you need when you with me.
Okay, got this one pretty much almost burned in. Now all that's left pretty much is to cut on the bottom, get the rest of the notch out, and finish welding all on the inside really. So that's all that's left to do next on this side, and then we can finally start the other side and we'll be pretty much done.
You wanna fuck with me? I leave your body steady dripping, got it so tempting. The joy in killing, got the devil know he come with me. The gates of hell, I suck the souls, you know I'm not nothing. I feel my finger angel coming, wanna fuck with me. Now hit it, now hit it. I'm fucking on her till she bleeding, turning on her own God, you know she be sinning. And selling herself onto me, cause you know I be dealing. Now come and get it when you want it, now that you a heathen. I'm thinking all my demons, cause it's all I know how. Trying to make me better, but the evil's all I know.
Alright, so that's going to be it for today, guys. As you saw, we finished up the one on the driver's side. Off camera, I did the notch on the driver's side. It's pretty much the same thing. I didn't really need to show any video on that. That's going to be it for this episode. On the next one, we're going to be doing the tubular crossbar with the upper and lower shock tabs. And we'll be painting it up and then replacing the front and rear shocks and sending it on its way. So stay tuned for that, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Fucking me all night, that's why